technically unbox this bike here, but then there isn't adequate light in this room, so I'll be taking this upstairs to the terrace to assemble whatever little assembling I have to do. And now, with the magic of videos, now that you've seen this bike, let's do a quick bike spec. The Polygon Zeta 2 is a commuter bike with a 6061 alloy frame. Let's start off with probably the most noticeable feature on this bike, the wheels. This bike comes with 20-inch by 2.0 tires. And these tires are mounted on double wall alloy rims. The handlebar on this bike is a 640mm alloy handlebar, and this is mounted on a 30mm stem. The brakes and gear shifters are mounted on separate units. Braking is provided by dual hydraulic disc brakes. These brakes are from Tektro. This bike has a 1x10 drivetrain with a 48-tooth crankset in the front. The 10-speed cassette is a Shimano cassette. And the rear derailleur is a Shimano Tiagra. This bike has Shimano Tiagra flat bar shifters. This bike does not have any suspension, so the front fork is a full rigid metal fork. To give this bike nice clean lines, the cables are internally routed. This bike has two accessory mounting points, but they are mounted on the down tube, one next to the other. Considering this is a commuter bike, they have provided a nice plastic chain guard to ensure that your trousers do not get caught in the chain or get grease on the trousers. The hand grips and the seat offer good rider comfort. So considering this is a city commuter bike, they have extended the front a little bit and made this a little higher. So when you have a more upright positioning while riding. Quick release levers are available on both the wheels and the seat post. This bike weighs in at about 13 kgs. Plastic pedals come standard with the bike, as does a stand. With a price of 54,990, this is the Polygon Zeta 2. So this bike can be used literally by everyone in the family. The frame geometry is unisex and well, the size also makes it comfortable for children. So check out this bike, and if you're interested in a commuter bike for the whole family, go for this. I'll be sharing the buying link in the description below. Unfortunately, I could not ride this on the road due to the lockdown, but hopefully I'm gonna keep this bike for a few more days and get to ride it on the road and well, share another video with you guys with a longer term review of this. That's it for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.